Hello everyone, my name is Neha Prakash Karyapanavan from BSc First Sem Student Combination PCM Combination College Sri Siddheshwara Government First Grade College Nargun. Today I will discussing about the indicators for precipitation titrations involving the silver nitrate. Next, I will move to the contents, that is, first one precipitation titration, and the second one the basic requirements are, and the third one argentometric titration, fourth one indicators, and the last types of the precipitation titration. We will see the five types contents in this topic. Next, I will see first content, that is precipitation titration. Precipitation titration is also known as the argentometric titration. The another name of the precipitation titration is argentometric titration. Both precipitation titration and argentometric titrations are same. Precipitation titration is a titration method based on the formation of the precipitate which is slightly or insoluble. Next, Ag plus ion for AgNO3 is extremely useful to analyze. Next, titrant. What do you mean by titrant in the precipitation titration? That is, titrant is a standard solution and known concentration. Here we know the concentration of the titrant and we know the standardization of the solution here. Next, analyte. It is an unstandard solution and unknown concentration. In this titration, we didn't know the concentration of the analyte and we didn't know the standardization of the solution, but we know the standardization of titrant and titrant only. Next, I will move to the example for precipitation titration, that is AgNO3 plus NaCl. It gives AgCl plus NaNO3. In this example, AgNO3 is a titrant and we know the concentration of the AgNO3 and NaCl is a analyte. We didn't know the concentration of the analyte. Both titrant and analyte react to form a AgCl. AgCl is a white colored precipitate. Next, I will go to the some basic requirements used for precipitation titration is the reaction must be sufficiently fast or rapid and complete. It is a fast reaction or rapid reaction or it is a complete reaction. Next, the PPT compound or the precipitate compound should be reproducible composition and low solubility. Next, there must method locate to the endpoint and indicators. What are the indicators used in a precipitation titration? Those are the most usual indicators in argentometric titration are first one potassium chromate solution. It is also known as a Mohs method, and ferric ammonium alum NH4 FeSO4 twice. It is also known as the Volhard's method. The use of K2CrO4 as indicators is based on the formation of breaked precipitate of Ag2CrO4 by the action of CrO4 2 minus on Ag plus. This precipitate only begins to form after Cl minus ions have been precipitated almost completely as AgCl. The cause of this lies on the difference between the solubility product and AgCl. Here the solubility of AgCl is 1 into 10 to the power minus 10. And types of the precipitation titration. There are two types of the precipitation titration. Those are first one Moore's method and the second one Volhard's method. I will go to the first method. that is Moore's method. In this method, endpoint is detected by the formation of the colored precipitate, and Moore's method is used to determine chloride, bromide, examples NaCl, NaBr, KCl, KBr, etc. Iodides cannot be determined by Moore's method because I minus will also produce colored precipitate with Ag plus. Here we can use the titrant is standard AgNO3 solution and indicator potassium chromate K2CrO4. An example I will give the Moore's method, that is K2CrO4 plus 2AgNO3. It gives Ag2CrO4 plus 2KNO3. It states that reaction is carried out neutral medium for determination of Cl minus and Br minus. Next, I will go to the second method, that is Volhard's method. It is used to determine halogenides, thiocyanide, cyanide, sulfide, chromite, oxalates, carbonates, and argentinates. It is a back titration method. So, two types of the titrants is used. Type 1 standardized AgNO3, type 2 KSCN or NH4SCN. Indicator is iron alum or Fe iron alum or ferric aluminum sulfate. Here, type 1 is standardization of AgNO3 by AgNO3 plus NaCl. It gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Type 2 determination of the analyte, that is KCl. KCl plus AgNO3, it gives AgCl plus KNO3 plus AgNO3. Next, AgNO3 plus KSCN, it gives AgSCN plus KNO3. Next, I will refer the chemistry book by Dr. Vinayak M. Nayak, and I will refer the Dr. Pushpendra classes in YouTube. Thank you one and all.